Hey cuties, it's Miss Portia. Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you 3 Balady combinations. Balady is a style of Egyptian dance that pulls from the earthy, rooted, grounded dance and also fuses ballet. So it's like an oriental style, meaning it's juicy and earthy in the hips, but it's also lifted and elegant, okay? So it's like ballet meets earthy folkloric Egyptian movement, and they got married. Practice with me. I break everything down. We'll do it a few times. And then I have a separate video where we actually apply the combinations to a beautiful Egyptian song by Bahaa Sultan, who is one of my favorite Arabic artists. His voice is just like heaven. And that's it. Let me know how it goes. Please subscribe, like, comment, send me a message. I'm here to serve you. And if you want more of me, you can find me at bellymotions.com. Love you. We've got our Maxum rhythm. Doom tech, tech, doom tech, doom tech, tech, doom tech. Let's start with combination number 1. Heels kiss, zip up like a zipper. Boom. Arms. So our Balady style pulls from folkloric Egyptian movement, but also fuses ballet and elegant lifting. So the two worlds are gonna meet. Check me out. Give me 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, lean and. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, back, front, and front, back, front, and front, back, front. Lean and pull. That lean, it's a little wave, a little snake arm, a little bye. And then this foot's free. Okay? Again, ready? And then we'll add on. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Brush. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Lean. And this foot's free. Give me. Back, front, back, pivot, back, front, back, pivot, back, front, back. Prepare. Step, turn. Again, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, undulate, 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 reach, and bump, 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 bump. Prepare, turn, and front. Again, beautiful. Ready? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reach and back, front, back, back, front, back, back, front, back. Prepare, turn, cross, open. Beautiful. One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And if you don't like turning or it doesn't feel right, boom and boom. Yup. That's it. Other side. Ready? Let's start with the feet. Front, back, front, front, back, front, front, back, front, reach, and back, front, back. I'm just gonna do the feet. You can add hips if you want. And prepare and turn. I wanna get right side, left side, equal practice. So you can add hips if you'd like. I'm gonna stick with feet. Here we go. Step, 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 boop, step, 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 boop, step, 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 reach, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, prepare, turn, open. add the undulation in the hips. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reach and bump, 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 bump. Prepare, cross and turn. One more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lean and change. Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump, bump. Prepare, turn. Woo! Yes? Let's go a little faster. Yes? A little faster. I'm gonna pause music for a second, and eventually we'll go super up to tempo. For now, starting on our left lead here, ladies at home are on the right lead. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, hold. Now this foot's free, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, lean and back, boom, 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 prepare and turn. And now this foot is prepared. So let's say you start on your left foot. Once you finish your turn, the other foot should be prefaced, okay? And if you forget, you just boop, make it happen, right? Let's go a little, let's do it again, and then we're gonna add on. Later it gets faster, but for now we're looking good. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. You girls, awesome. Next combo, boom. We end here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle and figure 8 with a twist. And drop, kick, drop, kick. Circle, figure 8 with a twist, like a jewel. All right, let's break it down. Ready? And drop, kick, drop, kick. Push, close, figure 8, da-ka-da. You can just do the twist, twist and in, whatever feels right. Other side. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Push, pull, figure 8, da-ka-da. And drop, kick, drop, kick. Push, close, figure 8, da-ka-da. Drop, kick, drop, kick, push, and twist. Up to tempo. Drop, kick, circle, and a twist. Drop, kick, circle, and a twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, drop, circle, and twist. Drop, drop, circle, and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, and twist. Drop, drop, circle, and twist. Drop, drop, circle, and twist. Drop, drop, circle, and twist. Arms up, up, frame and open. Up, up, frame and open. Drop, keep the feet tight. Drop, frame and twist. Drop, drop, frame. Keep it smaller. In place, barely travel, please. In place, Let the hips speak, and the feet, they're not necessary. Arabic dance, not showing off the feet, showing off the hips. Ballet, showing off the legs, the extension. Arabic dance, it's like, what's happening here? So if you take big steps, we lose this. Leave it alone, we'll go back to it. Last combo, and then we're gonna put them all together. Similar to the one we just did. Check me out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Down, up, down, up. Again, same foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Down, up, down, up. Add the undulation. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Down, up, down, up. One more time. You'll see why we're not going to the other side just yet. 5, 6, 7. Slow. Front, kick, down, up, down, up. Leave it alone. Other side. I'm going to add on to it, not yet. 5, 6, 7. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Down, up, down, up. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Undulate, undulate, undulate. 2 more. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Down, up, down. One more time. Drop, kick, drop, kick. Down, up, down, and stay. Adding the around the world. 4 beats. Watch me first. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do it slow. Down, up, and 1, 2. Okay? So 1 undulation for each wall. And what's the sequence? Down, up, okay? We're going slow. We'll go faster later. Right now, let's just get that technique. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, back, side, front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side, back, side, front. Nice job. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, and 1. To the and 3, 4. Down, up, and. So yeah, you have to get that cute little foot back where you need it. Keep in mind, when we go faster, it'll be smaller and it'll be easier. If that doesn't make sense, don't worry, because we're going to do it now. No, we're not doing it with that song, although it's super cute. All right, ready? No music, because I'm going to go a little faster. Check me out. Do it with me. 5, 6, 7, and front, back, down and up, and down and up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, down and up, and down and up, front, kick, down and up, 1, 2, 3, 4, down and up, and last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, down and up, 1, 2, 3, 4, down and up. So you see, yes, that foot has to boop, come right into position. But when we go faster, look how small it is. It's actually a little faster. Let's do all 3 combos together.